LearnWorlds or Domestika, two leaders in online learning. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, LearnWorlds, known for AI-powered course creation and custom-branded academies. And on the right, Domestika, home to top creative courses led by industry professionals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, so here's our roadmap. Let's lay it right out. We're going to compare them on the target audience, how you actually create or customize courses, what selling and monetization looks like, the kinds of content and creative focus, language options and accessibility, the whole community vibe, support resources if you ever get stuck, and, of course, the price. I know, that's a lot, but trust me, every piece matters.
Let's start with target audience. So LearnWorlds kind of goes all in for entrepreneurs, coaches, educators, and businesses. Basically, if you're thinking of building your own branded academy or selling your expertise, this is your playground. You get a ton of branding control, but if you want to get really deep into arts or creative stuff, it's not that focused. Now, Domestika, oh boy, this is the creative's hotspot. Artists, designers, photographers, makers, if that's your thing, you're totally going to vibe with what Domestika has. Industry professionals teaching, big presence in all those art niches. Not so much for business training though, but for artistic feels, top notch. So yeah, winner for audience, Domestika takes this one easily.
Moving on to course creation and customization. So, with LearnWorlds, you get this AI-powered beast of a course builder. Rapid-fire course building, super interactive videos, quizzes, analytics. Seriously, it's got all the bells and whistles for creators. Tons of white labeling and branding too. But there's a bit of a learning curve, just being real, especially with the advanced options. Also, you'll want to connect other tools if you're planning intricate marketing. On the Domestika side, they keep things super sleek. Quality video-based courses, and joining classes is a breeze. But, and this is a big catch, you can't actually create or sell your own courses. Domestika curates the instructors. So as a learner, it's simple. But as a creator, you're kinda out of luck. Customization is low for users. So no surprises here. LearnWorlds wins this round for anyone who wants to create and customize.
All right, selling and monetization. This is where LearnWorlds gets spicy. Unlimited courses and memberships, built-in e-commerce, full payment gateways, upsells, subscriptions, affiliates, the whole shebang. It's made for people who want to make teaching their business. Downside, there's no free plan. And the entry level does charge per student. But Domestika? Dead simple for buying classes. And sometimes you get bundles and deals. Here's the kicker. No options for you to sell your courses. Domestika picks who gets to teach. And there's zero external monetization. So for any kind of selling, LearnWorlds is hands down the winner.
Oh, and here's something cool I found out. Did you know Domestika actually started as a creative community forum before launching its online courses, whereas LearnWorlds was designed from the ground up as this all-in-one academy platform for creators. Different origin stories, totally different vibes. On to content type and creative focus. LearnWorlds is pretty flexible. You can pump out videos, text, assess learners, even upload SCORM and HTML5. Plus, it's a no-code site builder, so branding's easy. But creative depth, honestly, is kinda meh. It's businessy, not so much about crafts or art. And the gamification, well, let's just say it's not the main event. Now, Domestika, wow, this is where it shines. Intense creative content, every kind of art you could ask for. Illustration, design, crafts, photography. And instructors are like genuinely famous in their fields. Downsides? You can't just waltz in and teach. Domestika chooses their instructors, and there's not a lot outside creative arts. So yeah, clear winner for creative content, definitely Domestika. Language and accessibility coming up. With LearnWorlds, you get 10 preloaded language options, plus a mobile app builder and social logins. It's not bad, okay? But compared to Domestika, not quite as broad. The social stuff is mostly just basic chat. Flip to Domestika. International reach, loads of subtitles, tons of students all over the globe. Big win for accessibility. Some courses are only in certain languages, and the mobile app's just for learning, not managing. But overall, much better global coverage. So yeah, Domestika wins here. Let's talk about community and social learning. LearnWorlds does have discussion boards and group features. Students can connect inside your academy. which is nice. But honestly, compared to other community-heavy platforms, it's a little basic. Domestika, though, goes heavy on social projects, peer feedback, direct instructor Q&As. The creative crowd gets to show off projects, get critiques, and interact way more. You can't build your own community, but theirs is super active. I'd say Domestika takes the social crown here. Support and resources! With LearnWorlds, support is pretty next level. 24/7 help, onboarding, its own digital academy with webinars, ebooks. They really set up creators for success. Getting things set up is kind of intense if you've never done this before, and it's not super tailored for artists. Domestika keeps support more in the student camp. Help centers, forums, multi-language FAQs, but really the priority is learners more than creators. When it comes to all-round support, LearnWorlds comes out on top. And finally, money talk, pricing. So LearnWorlds charges $29 a month for the starter, or $24 if you do a yearly thing, and you can do unlimited courses. There's a 30-day free trial, but heads up, no forever free plan. And they tack on $5 per student on the lower tier. Gets pricey fast with lots of students. Domestika flips it though. You only pay for courses you want, usually dropping $10 to $40 per class. And there are lots of bundles and promos floating around. It's way affordable if you're learning and not teaching. Only catch? No unlimited access. Still, value-wise, Domestika sweeps this round. Let's zoom out and see how the two stack up overall, side by side. Across our categories, Domestika leads in creative strengths, learner accessibility, and price, while LearnWorlds is the go-to for actual course creators and selling power. You can see the strengths light up depending on whether you're trying to teach or just learn. So, final thoughts? If you're the kind of person who wants to build, market, and sell your own branded online courses, especially for business or education, LearnWorlds literally has everything set up for you. But if you're in it for creative inspiration and want to learn directly from top-tier pros, Domestika totally wins for its content and community. Hosting your own course? LearnWorlds is your tool. Learning a creative craft? Domestika's the place to be. All right, now it's your turn. Which platform fits your learning or teaching style best? Dive into those free trials or just browse through their catalogs and see what catches your eye. You never know. One click could be the start of your new creative journey or teaching empire.